Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're looking at the S&P 200 for the Australian market. We're doing a forecast for March 2020. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And also want sure what to do with the market. Go on to the 2-month free premium courses that are in Skillshare. I got a link for you. Follow it through, or just go on to Skillshare, and you can find me there. You can sign up for free for 2 months. I got 2 courses there, talk about the stock market and what you need to do. So have a look at that, and yeah, sign up, share, like, do all those things. And also go to the LinkedIn page, our website, our social media platform. We've been doing tons of forecasts over there, so have a look. Now let's quickly go through this. And the market at the moment, now this is the it's the S&P 200 ASX. As you can see here, it's weekly charts. I'm looking at what's happening now, guys. I've been saying this for weeks now and months actually, that the market should have some sort of reversal. As you can see, this blue line here, this blue line extend all the way back to 2008 when the market hit the highest point. Okay, so when the stock market did a 2 resistance point here, those 2, as you can see, what we call double tops. I was quite concerned, but the market did punch through. I got back into it, not even an issue. And then I joined the trend, or those trend lines, or a pennant or flat, if you want to call it that way. I gone back in again and got out. So they are what we did basically. But you know, as a hedge fund manager, you got to trade basically. You know, have to work, you know, most of the time. But I'm also aware of the downside, so I'm always protected. So you make sure that if you're trading or investing, have a risk management plan. Make sure you're comfortable with the risk you're taking. I mean, you know, so just be aware. That's all I have to say. Now, the market dropped quite significantly. As you can see, last week was huge market drop. We're talking about good 1,000-point drops, you know, so it was quite significant. And it's still continuing as of today. The market dropped 176 points already. So, and that's just open markets. So we can see overall it's pretty negative. Now, one thing, this is a weekly chart, so just be aware of it. I want to go to the daily now. The daily chart, as you can see, we got a crossover here. The market about the crossover on this bottom. So I did a forecast on Friday saying that the market will stop about 2,623 points, give and take. The reason for it, I did some forecasts on it, and I do see there's a significant resistance at that level. So I do expect the market to run back up or rally up a bit. So that will be giving us some reprieve if you're on the wrong side of the market. So just be aware. Okay, so very important. But the market's still trending down, so there's no doubts about it. You know, I have a client actually ask me, you know, is a good time to buy and sell? Well, can't really tell them that at the moment because you know, in the context of things, okay, it's always about in what context. And I don't know what his portfolio looks like, so I can't say anything. So I said to him, share the portfolio, and then I can see a bit better. But at the end of the day, you know, you got to take care of your own money. So, you know, people's advice is that, but you need to take care of yourself, you know, simple as that. Now the market drop is significant, okay, so, and it's not over yet. This is quite heavy, so I do expect the market to come back up, so just be aware of it. Just trade accordingly if you are doing it, and also if you're investing, you know, like they said, you know, the market always will go back up, but it just a bit depends what you're doing. So that's what I want to mention. Now, indicator wise, most of my algorithm trading bot is the same thing. They're saying the market is turning down. I mean, it's already turned down, but there is a reversal happening soon, so I'm looking forward to that. And yeah, the market, well, with the coronavirus and all that stuff happening, especially in Australia, we did suffer from droughts, bushfire since September, and you know, still some part of it still damaged. A lot of we had floods, cyclone, and everything, and then the viruses. So there is a lot of challenges for the economy in Australia. So it's gonna be more challenging than anyone else. And we do rely on China quite a bit. So with China shutting down, supply chain is going to be affected. So just be aware. This may go on a little bit longer. So, that's going to be something to be aware of. But beyond that, just manage your own risk, managing everything accordingly. Don't go crazy. I mean, if the market rebounds, just remember it's a rally. It's not a trend turnover yet. Because we need to see certain things before we say a trend is uptrend or downtrend. Okay, so that was one very famous thing I learned as an investor and trader. Determine the trend. The trend at the moment is down. Okay, so just be aware of it. Don't go buying crazy stuff. Simple as that. And now, if you lose some money or you aware not know what to do with the market, I do have courses on Skillshare, so have a look at it. Also, I have a course on Udemy. Have a go at that one too. So method of investing and how to get started for the millennia in the stock market course. They are very good courses. So have a look and maybe you can learn something from it. I put it together and it's a simple course. It's smart and it will help you to see the market in a different way. So have a go at those one. And I will catch up with you next week. We will be doing a feature videos from now on. So, and will be much more interesting. And I look forward to see you in the market updates and also in April's market condition updates and also the market updates. Also, don't forget to sign up for LinkedIn, especially for Streetwise Education. We do a lot of posts there. So I will see you in our next YouTube video.